Bangkok's canal boat tour is something I wish I tried sooner. These long-tail boats are fast, much faster than I expected. You'll see real Bangkok, not the malls, not the tourist spots. Real local life along the canals. And yes, expect to get a few splashes of water. But honestly, it's one of the best things you can do in Bangkok. Tickets usually cost around 800 to 1,200 baht, and it is worth every baht.